Hi everyone, it's Dinara here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I wanted to talk about scripting. Scripting is a very powerful tool in order to manifest your dreams and in order to make your wishes come true. And I really love it because I started doing it only 2 weeks ago and I already see the first results. So I got to interview a very influential YouTuber. She only does her channel in Russian and she has about 600,000 subscribers and she is so nice. We got to talk a lot and she agreed on the interview and I was really happy to get to know her, and she subscribed to my channel and she is very supportive and I got a lot of inspiration from her. And before having that interview it seemed impossible, but I just wrote down that I want to have an interview and it came true. The second thing I was scripting about is my YouTube channel. I was saying that I'm helping people from different countries, and I don't know, somehow I thought about the UK because I only have subscribers and viewers from the US, from Kazakhstan and from South Africa, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had some viewers from UK. And it's crazy how it worked. After like few days after I scripted that, I got some viewers from England. So now I'm waiting when my wish of having 1000 subscribers will come true, but I'm sure it will come because all the small things are coming true, and I think the big things are going to manifest themselves too. There are some things that I wanted to share to make your scripting in a right and proper manner so that your wishes will definitely come true. And the first one is to pick a nice notebook so that you will enjoy writing in it. I chose Moleskine Harry Potter collection for me because I really love Harry Potter and it's really nice, and I'm so happy just like touching it and writing here every time. And I think it adds like extra magical powers to my wishes. The second tip is to write in much details, because storytelling, as we know, is a powerful tool, and when we tell our brain a story of how it is going to come true, it will become true. I'll give you an example of my story. I really want to learn German and I started my classes and I got A1 level by now, and I really want to be able to speak fluently in German because I love German songs and German rap. And the story I told myself is that I am in Berlin in karaoke and I am singing Bushido's song. This is my favorite rapper, and everyone is cheering, everyone is shooting the stories, and they tag Bushido, and then Bushido features me on his Instagram and DJ is cheering for me, and I am so cool on the stage with the mic and rapping, and this gives me so much joy. And I add more and more details: who I am with, what I'm wearing, how I feel in that moment. And the more details, the more senses you add to your story, to your scripting, the better it is for the universe to understand what you really want. The third and very important thing is to be consistent. So you need to write as much as possible, but don't force yourself. Some days I don't feel like writing and I don't write. But other days I feel so inspired, I have this positive vibe and energy and I want to use it in order to manifest, in order to script what I want. The fourth important thing is to write in the present tense. So I'm not writing like I want to know German at like B1 level and speak fluently and sing this rap. I write I am in a karaoke, like this already happened and like I already had whatever I manifest to. Don't write in the future tense because it will never happen if you write it in the future tense. Just be honest, just make sure that this is something you really want and that it moves your soul. Just be honest and make sure that here in your soul something moves when you are manifesting, when you're writing what you want, and work on that. And I hope this scripting tips will help you to manifest your own dreams. It worked for me and I hope it will work for you guys. Please hit that button if you like my content and if you want to know more about manifestation and awareness.